Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Telegram landing page, only ways. Open Telegram and create a channel, set a clear name and username, then write a concise description that targets your audience. Add a custom profile image and pin a short welcome message with the primary join link. Use a memorable URL, enable public join, test on mobile and desktop, and refine copy until conversions improve now. Start by writing a value-led headline and bullet benefits, then design a simple layout with clear CTA buttons and social proof. Use concise copy, strong visuals, and a single conversion goal so visitors take action. Integrate Telegram join links, deep links, and tracking parameters for analytics. Optimize load speed and mobile responsiveness, /B test headlines and CTAs, and iterate based on retention and conversion metrics. Prioritize privacy and clear unsubscribe options. Focus on persuasive copywriting that answers visitor questions, highlights benefits, and uses social proof like testimonials or user counts. Keep forms minimal, request only essential information to reduce friction. Add trust signals such as verified badges, transparent policies, and visible contact methods. Use urgency sparingly with limited time offers, and ensure your CTA text is action-oriented. Iterate headlines and images until engagement improves and conversions climb steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.